Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to send money from Cash App to Apple Pay. First, you'll have to open Cash App on your phone. Then you should click on this card icon on the bottom right here. And after that, here you will find all the cards that you have if you already have one. But here in my case, I do not have one, so I will click on Get Your Free Card. Then after you get your card, now you have to add it to Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. So now I'm going to open my Apple Wallet. Then you should click on this plus sign on the top right corner. After that, here it will show you all the cards. You can simply choose debit or credit card because this is going to be a debit card. Once you click it, here you should search for Cash App or Cash Card. So you just have to type here Cash App. Here I have typed Cash App, but I actually didn't have the option because it is not supported in my country. But now let's choose any option. Let's use any one of these options. It will show here this page. Now I have to click on continue, and after that you will have to enter all details of your Cash App card. And by this way you will be able to send money from your Cash App to Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.